a different category. Galafia watch me like a...
We're supposed to take up a Jamaican passport.
I respect all people. You know, my parents taught me to be cool.
Guys, I am so happy now at the moment because we're famous now.
You're a little bit, you got 1 million, that's little bit boy. Go over this with a little bit, and you a boom pam and jiggle it, Michael scream out for your little bit. Like I'm really rich, just spend 3 million.
Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. So let's get right into it.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on, it missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama when you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 10, Beanie Royal, Misakazo. Alright, burritos. So before the Royals visited, started their Caribbean tour, an interview with Beanie Man surfaced online, and he had quite some things to say about how he felt Jamaicans would receive the royalties. Take a listen.
Jamaicans don't want the Queen. I can tell you that. They don't want to be controlled by nobody.
Known as the king of dancehall music, singer Beanie Man says a lot of people's frustration is from Britain's role in the slave trade, and unlike the Queen, he doesn't believe Prince William can keep Jamaica from becoming a republic.
If Harry did there now, people would have react different. People that go meet Harry. But William, I don't want to see that. We are just here, controlled by the British, ruled by the British law. When you're going to the court, is all about the Queen and the Queen serve and the Queen this and the Queen that. But what they're doing for Jamaica, they're not doing nothing for us.
No, oh wow. Let's just say that Baby Beanie Man won't be invited to Buckingham Palace, but like, wow. Like, yeah, in this moment, Beanie Man is on a roll. It's like the brother just take one little break and then surface back. First, it was the Henkel Glue collaboration with Shenseea, and now this big bad interview where Beanie Man talk about time out. And many people agreed with him, but based on the pictures that surfaced, it seems that there are quite a number of Jamaicans who were very excited to go and meet Prince William and his wife, Kate. So, let me know, did you agree with Beanie Man's statement on behalf of Jamaicans? Sound off below burritos. Number 9, Davian captured, or is it Davian? Me not even care now. I don't even care if I pronounce the boy name wrong. Like, well, him is a man, but based on his actions here, you have to call him boy. So, you know this brother, the fugitive that was going around abducting young girls. He started out in St. Thomas, and many people have been searching for weeks to find him. So much so to the point where they ended up find one brother and wrongfully accused him and end up murder him. Like, that was just so messed up. But anyway, they found Davian now, and story come to bomb. He is saying that he had been wanting to bring in himself for so long, and he might have sleepless nights. Like, come on, who care? Who care? Who care? It's not one little girl this brother had been attacking, and going after, It's several. And I have been like, how them can't find him? Like, Jamaican people can go out and find and set up all kind of search army and SWAT team for find all kind of other unscrupulous people. But in this instant, this brother just find him way for us to go underground and not picking up on anybody radar. Well, story come to bump that apparently he was being held, being protected by a family member. What? Honestly, me not even want to give the brother more time at the story, but basically, this family member, family friend, is saying that she was unaware that he was wanted for all of these things, and she was just trying to help him out like a good and noble citizen.
Get right here, man.
Well, anyway, let me know what you think about this, and boy, that is just that, cause we don't want to talk about him anymore. Number 8, my food reacts. Me with cinco. Am I even saying that right? Alright, burritos, so let me just give you the backstory. So there's a party promoter by the name of Real Pedro Zine, and he has an event over at the Cove called OSA, right? And so recently, Rebecca Mafood, you might know her, nice uptown girl, Zine, and so she went to the event, and apparently she referred to it as a fish fry. So when the promoter Pedro got wind of it, he took to social media to kind of call her out and I say, imagine him a keep big event only for it to get reduced to a fish fry. But in less than 3 business days, Rebecca Mahfood took to social media to clap back at the promoter, and this is what she said.
You want to see how some Jamaicans wicked and cruel? So someone decided to go repost my TikTok on Twitter and say how I went to this party and called it a fish fry. The last time I checked, Cove does a fish fry on Saturdays. It's very good, by the way. Big up Cove. Their fish fries are always good. So, as I've said in my previous video, I have brought up C, and so I'm not going to say the words that I want to say. But underneath allow me stop pre my videos and think some dunce, because me no dunce. It is a fish fry. I went for the fried fish, which was delicious, and I realized when I got there it was a full-on party keeping. So therefore this tweet is invalidated. Only can let me know. Thank you, please and thanks. Also, this party did look really cool. Had I known about it, I would have been prepared for it, and I just didn't know, so.
All right, Rebecca, nobody now go around here in a nice, uptown, stylistic way. That is how she, she represented herself. And I'm going to say, I'm going to give her a 7 out of 10 for the clapback. Like, I judge her upon a UPT spectrum, and she did good. She did good. I have to give her that. And in honest fairness, people know over there, so for like, like having fish fry and selling like fish and like all kind of seafood. So many people still don't know that they had an entire transformation and is now like a partying spot as well. So I have to give her that. But anyway, Burritos, what do you think of her clapback? So down below.
Do it. Get me clean. Everybody know this. What? Hey! Hey! Oh my God! Hey! Hey! Watch it jump! If you a girl, just smell and show you them. Yeah! All the things. Yeah! Brand new dance is simple. Dirt! Catch it dirt, Miss Wallace. Stretch it! Dirt! Everybody get your bones, watch out. Dirt. Everybody get your bones. I mean, like, you're a different style. Dirt. Everybody get your bones.
Number 7, uniform day, Monday morning. Alright, Burritos. So no, in the last social media countdown, I showed you some students and what they did for the anything but a bag day, and trust me, that was just so hilarious. But you see, this week, I'm gonna switch things up a bit and focus on Manchester High School, because they did an activity in which they asked the teachers to show up to the classroom in their high school uniform. That was the task, and this is how they did.
Teachers Old School Day at Manchester High School.
Yo.
All right, Manchester High School teachers. Okay. All right, Burritos, I want you to let me know how much out of 10 you give them for their efforts, because I'm not gonna let them represent. I say 1 and 2 teachers, they have like the 2 different tone uniform, but that is very representative of how high school life used to go, because I'm not gonna lie, they have a batch of clothes from like in a 8th grade and then that carry over in a 9th grade, and so the tone them they kind of different. They have one that I give you like Tommy Chin, and the other set of the uniform that I give you Wayne Marshall. So I just saw it there go different hues. Well, let me know, burritos, what you give them out of 10. Sound off below. Number 6, Cardi vocals. Me auto-tune, not. Alright, so international rap superstar Cardi B was recently on Instagram Live, and some of her fans actually, you know, I guess asked her to sing some songs from her favorite artists. So one of which was Tanya Stevens' hit single, These Streets. This is how Cardi B did.
You keep your lips on me like a marijuana. I would I love it if you treat me like a gun. You keep me going all night, just a bum and grind. You don't understand what a woman. Oh, bitch, I can sing. Why I on the street all the time. Just keep this in mind, boy. These streets don't love you like I do. You need to know that you wanna keep loving you.
You know something now about Cardi B? I can't bother with Cardi B now, because it's like from she dropped the song there, where she do a little bit of singing, I feel like now she wants to step into her inner Mariah Carey. And to be honest, she can't hold a tune, you know. I'm not gonna go around it. She can't actually own a tune. It don't sound tree bad. I'm gonna give her one little clap. You know, she have a little, you know, like a Janet Jackson, the little Ciara. You know, the little lullaby voice there. She have it. I'm gonna give her it. Number 5, LOL TikTok. Me, hey guys. Alright, burritos. So there is a new rising Jamaican TikToker on the scene, and her name is Chanel246. Now, people, when everybody up on TikTok I try to sort out 15 different camera angles and all kind of sound and effects and text and graphics and all of these things, this girl should keep it simple. She not in the one bag of extraness. She just keep it simple, turn on her phone, get the front camera, and she just got to talk for like 15 seconds and make her point and cut. Take a look.
Alright guys, I realize so no love when me say this. Ready? Laugh out loud. Why that one a funny star. And then no say it a go viral, you know, the sound.
So that is the video that, you know, that went viral, and so many people took to her page following her, and I think people just love her authentic style where she's not trying to put on so much for social media. She is just being herself, burritos, and boy oh boy. And hey guys, every minute. Laugh out loud. Ha ha ha. But burritos, what do you think of Chanel? Sound off below. Number 4, cutting edge. Me snip snip. Okay, so I can't believe I'm about to talk about this, you know, and for the men who are watching, please to just sit down, because this might give you know, like an emotional moment. Alright, burritos, so recently I saw this video on TikTok, and guess what? Apparently, you there with the woman Zine, and the woman must go get vexed. And you know what she decided to do? She not decided to so just like, you know, load him up and them something here. She went into his closet and cut up all of his Clark's collection. It's never one shoes, you know. I hope I'm not mistaken, but it's probably over 6 pairs of shoes this woman cut up. So his sister, upon seeing this, decided to make it into a TikTok video, and this is the result.
Rating my Bretta Clarks that his girlfriend cut up.
No, tell the truth of God love. Jesus be man, no. Woman for wicked, but no so. No, the one ya boy, your boy. Like the brother you have restraint before him see this, because no man, the one ya rough. Me I feel wonder whether you could have do so, because like that, she do it with care. It's not even like she just mash it up. She just do it like delicately where him could have still technically wear it and sew it up and try to turn it in a style, but she do it in one little way where she has send a strong warning, she has send a signal. So she gonna do something worse next. So if him have a vehicle, him vehicle have to go prepare and brace for the impact, because wow.
I can't. Get out.
Well, burritos, let me know how would you react if somebody did this to some of your clothing items. Sound off below. Number 3, Lisa Hanna versus the Daily Mail. Me, oh no. All right, Burrito, so as Miss mentioned, Tono, that Prince William and his wife, Kate Middleton, they visited the Caribbean as a part of their Caribbean tour, and Jamaica was the first stop. Upon, stepping on Jamaican shores, Lisa Hanna was welcomed the royals, and they had quite a bit of a banter, and the little official little treatment, the standard protocol. Zine, but at some point in time, this clip got posted on social media and got viral. Okay, so this video got posted, and when it reached Twitter, it just exploded. I have to ask that the British tabloids just went in on this and tried to paint a certain narrative that Lisa Hanna was coming for and snubbing Kate Middleton because, she has some sort of issue with them as it relates to the treatment, the conversation surrounding reparations. So much so to the point where I just knew that our Lisa Hanna wasn't going to take this just so she was going to respond. So I did a video about it before.
But Daily Mail, you see the day Lisa Hanna does this?
Oh, it has come to my attention that, first of all, let me just say this. I don't usually do this, but I believe I have to clear it.
And just like I said, people, because I tell you, I have things from my spirit, I'm art, I'm sense things, I'm a perceptive more while. And so, by the next day, Lisa Hanna dropped this video online.
I respect all people. My parents taught me to be cordial to everyone, no matter who they are or their status. There are too many global problems that have been caused by misinterpretation and an inability to understand the truth. And the truth in this case is that Duchess Catherine and I, we had very, very amicable interactions, and there was no negativity between us whatsoever, as evidenced by many, many photos and videos circulating online. But there's a bigger issue here, which is bigger than the personalities of Lisa Hanna.
I'm not gonna wrong her. Like, when I got a taste of this is when I said, Jesus, me understand how Princess Diana had it so difficult. Because trust me, you see media at that level, when them can twist and turn and kind of change the narrative and all kind of things for kind of suit them agenda, no man, it's dangerous. Dangerous, bad. But Burritos, let me know, what did you make of this entire situation with Lisa Hanna versus the Daily Mail? Sound off below. Number 2, Cure again. Jesus, Pima prison walls. So people, Jack Cure is back again facing prison time. Let me just go and give you the whole entire story according to the Jamaica Observer.
We are in these prison walls.
So Jack Cure, whose given name is Sikaturi Alak, is facing attempted murder, attempted manslaughter, aggravated assault, or attempted aggravated assault in relation to an alleged stabbing incident involving promoter Nicardo Papa Blake on October 1 at Dam Square in the city of Amsterdam. No, this is just messy completely. So Jakiro went to Amsterdam for perform, and at some point in time, he and the promoter ended up having a disagreement, and I guess this was just the only solution in both persons' mind for it to go to blows like this. No, this just don't look good, none at all. Like, the brother literally only no film pass. And Jakir has had quite a history with just popping up in the news in these bizarre incidents that have a theme of violence. So just when, that news, appeared online, then a voice note got released, which definitely is going to make it very difficult for Jakir to escape some more years, because it basically incriminate himself. He was...
I'm ashamed to tell you this, bro. I take off all my jewelry. I'm in the Dam Square with Penko, and I'm going to show Penko that he needs to put respect on his name. My brother, this is stupid what I'm telling you, but believe me to God, if Papa shows up here, you will hear the news, and someone will be here to make the video.
Oh wow, no, Jesus, Peep, no, honestly, honestly, I'm not happy about this one, none at all, because this brother is a talented youth, talented artist, like an exceptionally talented, gifted man musically, and just to see this shaping up to almost be like his demise, it's unfortunate. It really, really is unfortunate. That's all I have to say right now. But Burritos, let me know how you feel about this entire Jakir sentencing. in the comments. Sound off below.
This is Original Coffee and you're watching the DuttyBerryShow. Dutty Berry, I come in like a rapture. Yeah.
And number one goes to
Spice promo tour. Alright, burritos. So, Queen of Stage, Queen of Dancehall, Spice has been revving up the promotion as a part of her promo tour for the Grammy Awards. Now, definitely, I feel like Spice is very confident that she could possibly take home the win for the reggae category. And so, she has recently been doing a lot of promotional projects centered around the Grammy period. So, recently, she appeared on the Tamron Hall show for an interview.
The Queen of Dancehall, known to her fans as Spice. Her career has spanned more than 2 decades, and she's contributed to 97 singles and 76 music videos, collaborating with famous names like Shaggy, Sean Paul, and now it is her turn to bask in her spotlight with the release of her debut album, 10, marking her spot in history this year as the first female dancehall artist to be Grammy nominated for Best Reggae Album. From her home in Atlanta, please welcome Spice to the table. Listen, the queen is on her throne. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Absolutely. Listen,
And in the middle of that show, she performed one of her singles from the album 10.
Give me a B, B, B. Give me a I. Give me a C to the E.
And just when you think it was going to stop there, she took it to another level when she released the music video for her single, Different Category. Now, if you don't know about the song here, people have been saying that this is where she's throwing word on a particular female dancehall artist, but I do not know how true it be. But check out the music video. Okay, you know, I like the music video. I like the song. It definitely has a vibe, but you know, Spice always bring the creativity when she releasing her projects. So, burritos, are you confident that Spice will take home the win? No, she's up against some giants. You know, me I thought about she's up against Sean Paul. She's up against Etana. She's up against Morgan, something from Morgan Heritage. So let's just see how things will turn out. But let me know, do you think that she can take home the win? Sound off in the comments below.
Well, that is it. We've come to the end of another social media top 10 countdown. I'm your host, Dutty Berry. Thank you so much for watching. If you did, please to hit the thumbs up button, turn on the post notification. You know, the look usual, like, share, leave a comment down below. Let me know what was your favorite part of the countdown. Follow me on my social media at DuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over, as well as to send me an email if you want to advertise within the social media countdown to bookings.DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. Okay, take care until next time. Haha!
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama when you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.